Hello YouTube community, this is VIP Nobody coming to you from the sunny climes of Jamaica. Going to do something a little bit different today. This is the Dell Inspiron 530 board that I used to be able to disprove a bot regarding whether an older board could handle a PCIe to NVMe adapter. I also used a small SATA for a boot sector and installed Linux Mint 19. If you check out one of my earlier videos, and I took that NVMe, PCIe to NVMe out in the SATA, and I put it in a completely different machine. This is an HP 6005, which features a quad-core Athlon and DDR3 RAM. Now the 530 has 8 gigabytes of DDR2 and a Core 2 Duo in it. So it's a completely different type of machine. And you can't do that with Windows. I mean, you need to buy another key if you even put it in a machine that's exactly the same. You can't change a graphics card in Windows without having to buy another key. You can't change the storage in your Windows machine without having to buy another key. So let's see what happens when we start this up. I've also done another video. I haven't uploaded it yet. It features how to change the start music in Linux Mint. So let's hit the start button on this one. I also spruced it up with a skin. I made it look like a Mac Ubuntu since the last time you saw this hard drive in use. So it's going to sound a little different and it's going to look different. You can do that with Linux, you know. It just works. Hey, how about that? There's like 10 years difference between these two machines. From a Pentium 4 carrying 530 to a 6005 HP. Oh my gosh. Match that, Windows. Once again, this is VIP Nobody from the sunny climes of Jamaica, your fixed income PC builder.